the midst of softball and baseball season, and hey, we're getting ready for graduations, and a lot of them have already changed, so keep an eye there on Crossroads today to kind of work with that overall. But going back to it, we got one local team here from our 18U and our Crossroads SportsCenter here club in Victoria. They're making history, becoming the first Crossroads team ever to earn a bid at Nationals and finish in the top 25. Yes, in the entire nation. This team made their mark in the Crossroads, and Victoria West seniors Avery, Griffin, and Emily Parker, they're proud to help make this all happen.
To get to step on the court and know that I'm competing against some of the best players from all around the United States, and just stepping in there is just such like a great feeling. Like, even though the outcome wasn't what we wanted, just being there felt so it felt like we had already won. It
felt great. I mean, I like traveling. I like being with going to experience different places. I mean, seeing other than Texas teams, it was really cool to play people from all around the world. So I mean, I loved playing with my teammates. This was our last ever club game. So I mean, I enjoyed every second of it.
Now, both of them, they did mention to me, though, Texas volleyball is still king than maybe some other states. But even though they still appreciated all the competition they had going out there to Nevada, and for Parker, she committed out there last week to Arkansas Fort Smith, while Griffin will just be focused on academics at Texas A&M Corpus Christi. So congrats to both of them, creating a legacy for West volleyball. And speaking of legacy, stay tuned for 25 News and Sports at 10 p.m. We're going to hear from Goliath volleyball players and Carolyn Youngblood and Maven Wunsch.